After spending roughly 2 months with the Sony A7R VI, the biggest problem with this camera isn't the hardware itself. It was the expectations surrounding its launch. When rumors pointed to a fully stacked sensor, many expected an A1 killer that could do everything. But taking a step back reveals that the R series has never been a Swiss Army knife, like the flagship A1 or Z9 series. In today's market, where high-resolution sensors offer fewer speed compromises than ever before, specialized high-res cameras face a trickier justification. However, after putting it through portraits, sports, and wildlife, it proves to be a remarkably capable machine, if you know what you're buying it for. Portrait photography performance. For portrait shooters, the A7R VI offers incremental upgrades rather than a revolutionary leap over the A7R V or A7R IV. But those updates matter. Dynamic range and dual gain. Utilizing dual gain output under ISO 400 with a mechanical shutter, dynamic range at the extreme ends matches or beats elite medium format options like the Hasselblad X2D, with smoother, less contrasty highlight to shadow transitions. Auto white balance. Night and day improvement over older bodies like the original A1, rendering far more accurate skin tones out of the box. True mechanical shutter. Eliminates the background degradation caused by electronic first curtain shutters when shooting fast flash sync outdoors. What still needs improvement? Screen brightness. Despite using Sony's 4-way articulating screen, it struggles in direct, blinding sunlight compared to competitors. Shutter speed cap. Capped at $1/$8,000 a second, which limits wide-open shooting $F/$1.2 on ultra-bright days without stepping down or using ND filters. Using the A7R VI for professional sports, like tracking high-velocity baseball swings, reveals the physical limitations of rolling shutter distortion on stacked sensors. Fast-moving bats and balls will warp if you shoot too tight. The workaround. If you step back slightly, e.g., using a 70 to 200 millimeters lens from further away, and crop in during post-production using the massive megapixel count, you can eliminate rolling shutter entirely. Autofocus and pre-capture. Featuring Sony's best autofocus system to date, 60 calculations per second with aggressive subject locking. Alongside pre-capture modes, it excels at amateur sports, fast-moving practice sessions, and casual field action. Crop flexibility. The high-resolution sensor allows you to aggressively crop into distant wildlife while retaining over 20 megapixels of usable detail. The high megapixel tax. High-resolution sensors demand higher shutter speeds to combat tiny micro-jitters. Pushing your shutter speed up requires higher ISOs, though modern AI noise reduction software easily compensates for the grain. Ergonomics and build. The body features a deeper, more rubbery grip that feels much more premium and secure in the hand than the hollower-feeling A7R V. Dual USB-C ports with fast charging and direct computer drive recognition round out a very solid physical design. If you're coming from an A7R V and need a more versatile, high-speed hybrid camera that excels at video and high-res stills alike, the A7R VI is a phenomenal upgrade. However, if you already own a multi-purpose powerhouse or a balanced mid-tier hybrid, the high price tag makes it a niche tool designed specifically for detail-oriented shooters who need maximum resolution without sacrificing modern autofocus and battery life.